Hey, what's up? My name is Dr. Marcella Wilson from Learn AI and ChatGPT.com. Welcome to day 12 of my Shopify AI challenge, where I go from setup to first sale in 30 days. All right, so I'm always up to some AI shenanigans. So if you're new to this channel, or if you've been following me for a while, what I'm doing right now is I am setting up a completely new Shopify store just using AI, like writing product descriptions, creating the product, creating images, all that, just using AI. And I'm going to see how fast I can do it, how fast I can set it up, and then how fast I can get my first sale. Full disclosure, years ago I had a Shopify store in the past. Took me 6 months to get up, and it was an abject failure. But I learned a lot. All right, so let's get some housekeeping stuff out of the way. If you want to follow along with me through this process, click a link in the bio, and you'll get access to my document where I write all my notes, my thoughts. I have links to all the previous videos. It's a really good resource. Also, if you want to set up a Shopify store yourself, you can get a sale. You can get a bargain. Normally, Shopify is at least like $39 a month, which is still a great deal for all it offers. But you can get it for $1 for the first 3 months. All right? Check those out. And let's get to day 12. So it is crazy to me that I am at day 12. So I'll talk about what I did, and I'll talk a little bit about my mindset. Yesterday, I talked about how I set up my first ad set. And Facebook ads take me a long time to do. And to be on day 12, and I have already set up a Shopify store, created a product, created the ads for the product, created the Facebook ads copy, and to already have it up and running on day 12 is insanity to me. But that goes back to the power of AI, right? It's a machine. It can generate all of this content in minutes, right? So I have my store set up. I have the product picked out. I'm using a print-on-demand mug. I have all of the images for the mug, all the product descriptions. I have all of my Facebook ad copy, all of that. I've been able to do that in 11 days. I could have never done that on my own in that short of amount of time without artificial intelligence. So my tool of choice right now for this project is ChatGPT, who I call Chatty because I chat with her so much. All this using ChatGPT. So all I did today was I actually created more ad sets, right? I created 6 ads targeting a specific group of people. And I did that yesterday. But today I created 2 more ad sets of the same ads, right? So I just had those same ads targeting different interests in Facebook. So right now I have about 18 ads running in total. So now I guess the race is on to see how quickly it takes me to get my first sale. Hopefully I can get a sale within 3 days. That's usually my cutoff. Like if I run an ad where I'm trying to get someone to buy something on Facebook, I'll give it like 3 to 5 days for a purchase. If after 5 days I don't get a sale, then I shut the ads down because I know something is wrong on my part, because Facebook is really, really good when it comes to that. So yesterday I had 1 ad set running. Today I have all 3. So starting from today, I'm going to give it 3 to 5 days. So from day 15 to day 17, hopefully I have a sale at that point. So this is the exciting part. Like, whew. So basically, if I want to be completely honest, I've set up a complete Shopify store in under 2 weeks, which is unbelievable because to set up my first Shopify store that I did a couple years ago, it took me about 6 months. So what has my mindset been? Well, yesterday my mindset was not good because there were other stuff going on. I have other businesses. Something kind of blew up in my other business and I was kind of attending to that. So I was dreading things and, So I was not in the best mindset. So again, I was just like, hey, I'm going to give myself like an hour to work on my Shopify AI challenge. I ended up working on it for about 2 hours, but I just wasn't in the best of moods just because of other stuff that was going on. But today, I was really excited because I feel that I've reached kind of a milestone in the challenge where I've really done all of the setup. I've really done all the hard work. I think when you set up a Shopify store and you set up the marketing and the ads, all the hard work is done up front. Everything is front loaded. So today I kind of said to myself like, wow, I'm on day 12 of a 30-day challenge, and what am I going to do for the next 18 days? Am I just going to be looking for sales to come in? I mean, I will, but I feel like all the hard work is done already because of artificial intelligence. So I think that maybe I might add more products. I think I talked previously to you about maybe adding t-shirts to complement the mugs. Print on demand t-shirts and just put the same sayings on the t-shirts. So if somebody wants to buy a bundle, I can offer them a bundle of the t-shirt and the mug. And if they buy it, they can get like 25% off if they buy both. So I was thinking, maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll just add more things to the Shopify store, just like, basic stuff like who we are or something like that. But basically all the hard stuff is done. Maybe the next time I do this challenge, I'll do it in 2 weeks because I'm already at day 12 and I'm basically done all the hard stuff. So I don't know. We'll see. But we'll see how long it takes to get a sale. Hopefully it doesn't take 30 days to day 30 to get a sale. I don't think it will. But yeah, I kind of have to think about what I'm going to do for day 13 because the store is up. The products are up. I don't know if I have any legitimate work to do besides waiting for a sale. That's not work, but I don't know. What do you guys think I should do? But I am very, very happy because I remember thinking last week like I wanted to take a day off. And now I'm just like, wow, I basically worked for 10, 11 days and that's it. That's all I had to do because now I'm just waiting for the sales to roll in. So I guess in my mind, because of my previous experience, I had worked hard for 6 whole months to get my Shopify store up and running. And I was kind of thinking it would be like that. Like I would have to not work 6 whole months, but I'd have to work hard for a month. And it's not even been 2 weeks. So it's incredible. If all I got to say is if you are not using AI, you have got to get on the bandwagon because it is everything and more that they say it is, right? Sign up for my emails, just get more information, how you can start out using AI. I specifically talk to business owners, small business owners, solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, people who want to learn how to use AI to do things quicker, smarter, cheaper, faster than they ever could, right? I talk a lot about social media because social media is a grind, right? Because you have to do it every day. And people are like, what should I post? And, I got to create images, and AI can just do all of that for you in minutes. Okay. So I know I'm focusing on my Shopify challenge right now, but I know a lot of my business owners have Shopify stores or Etsy stores or eBay stores. And so that's why I'm kind of doing this challenge, right? All right, guys, it's been great talking to you today. I don't know what to do with all this time I have on my hands now that I have the store set up. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys and let you know what I do for day 13 tomorrow. I'll probably put up more products. I'll probably put up some t-shirts. What do you think? I'll probably do that. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, just, comment. Leave me a comment. I read them all and I answer them all myself personally. I'm so glad that you took the time to listen and watch this. I appreciate it. If you like this video, please like it and please subscribe to my channel. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye. God bless.